Education has undergone major changes in the last 3 years. COVID, at-home teaching and learning, online collaboration, and new words like Zoom in our lexicon that forever changed the way we think about teaching. These things forced us to incorporate new ways of exploring the education of our students in our classrooms. All of this was a fast track into changing the paradigm of how teachers set out to meet the needs of the 21st century student. Out go the old ways. They are gone forever. Here at ESL Revolution, our aim is to help others build upon the skills already learned so that other teachers and their students find an easier path forward. There is no need to reinvent the wheel, yet there is need to continue to push the envelope to help us all succeed. To create from that foundation, our motto here is not more, but better. This channel has two main goals: to ensure teachers have practical yet tech-savvy skills with both hardware and software, providing an experiential, meaningful, rewarding, and safe learning environment for their students. The second is using social media systems to give students instructional content in the field of English language learning in particular, so that students can investigate the world around them through English and to expand their experience.